Intro. Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than ever. Some jobs are disappearing. Others are evolving. And some will survive no matter how smart AI becomes. In this video, we'll explore AI versus humans and the jobs that will survive the AI revolution. Section 1. Why AI is taking jobs. AI is great at doing tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and data-driven. Machines don't get tired. They don't need breaks. And they can work 24/7. That's why many routine jobs are being automated. But here's the good news. Not every job can be replaced. Section 2. Jobs that require human creativity. Creativity is one of the strongest human advantages. Jobs like artists, designers, writers, filmmakers, and musicians rely on imagination, emotion, and originality. AI can assist with ideas. But true creativity still comes from human experience. As long as people want unique stories, art, and expression, creative jobs will survive. Section 3. Jobs that require emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is something AI struggles with. Jobs like teachers, therapists, counselors, social workers, and nurses depend on empathy and human connection. People don't just want answers. They want understanding. Human care, trust, and emotional support cannot be fully replaced by machines. Section 4. Skilled trades and hands-on jobs. Skilled trades are another area where humans remain essential. Electricians, plumbers, mechanics, carpenters, and technicians work in unpredictable real-world environments. These jobs require problem-solving, physical skill, and quick decision-making. AI can help diagnose problems. But humans still fix them. Section 5. AI-related and tech jobs. Interestingly, some of the safest jobs are those that work with AI. AI engineers, data analysts, cybersecurity experts, and tech specialists are in high demand. As AI grows, so does the need for humans to build, manage, and control it. AI doesn't replace these jobs, it creates them. Section 6. Leadership and strategy roles. Leadership roles are also difficult to automate. Entrepreneurs, managers, decision-makers, and strategists rely on judgment, ethics, and long-term thinking. AI can provide data. But humans make the final decisions. Section 7. The real threat is not AI. The real threat is an AI replacing humans. The real risk is humans who don't adapt. Those who learn new skills, embrace technology, and improve their creativity will stay ahead. Conclusion. AI will change how we work. But it won't replace everything. Jobs that rely on creativity, empathy, skill, leadership, and adaptability will continue to survive. The future belongs to humans who evolve alongside AI. Thanks for watching. Stay curious. Stay future ready.